Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Miguel back again with another video. I'm sorry I've been out for a few days, had a little bit of a medical emergency, but now we're back. And today we're going to be talking about the S24 Ultra. And it seems like we now have the full color options that are going to be coming with the complete lineup of the S24 Ultra. Unfortunately, we don't really have any actual leaked images, but we do have a pretty reliable source of information. Now, according to Ross Young, who has been a pretty reliable source of information in the past, he mentioned on Twitter or X, whatever you guys want to call it, that the S24 lineup was going to come with new exciting colors. And I'm more excited about the Ultra models because the Ultra models this time, the S24 Ultra is rumored to be coming with a titanium body just like the iPhone 15 Pro. Now the colors that he mentioned is yellow, violet, and then the regular gray and the black colors. Now the yellow and violet are a little bit intriguing because titanium is not really a metal that's friendly or color friendly, so I'm kind of intrigued and excited to see what Samsung is going to be doing. Apart from that, Ross Young also mentioned that there will be specific or exclusive colors available only for those that buy the phone online, and those colors will be orange, light blue, and light green. Next up, we also have some information about the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and every one of us expects it to be faster, but how much faster is it actually going to be? Well, according to rumors, it is a staggering 40% faster than the current 8 Gen 2, which is already pretty fast. And according to reports, it is suggesting that the GPU performance will be up to 40% faster and the CPU performance will be up to 35% faster overall. Now, the only factor here is that the efficiency may be affected because at the end of the day, we're always looking at efficiency. If a chip has good performance but has no efficiency, it's as good as useless. But according to Ice Universe, which again is a pretty reliable source of information specifically for Samsung, he claims, and he went as far as saying that the chip is actually near perfect. Now again, I'm sure he has some information about it. He really didn't specify a lot on the tweet, but again, we're gonna have to test it out and wait until we actually have the phones in hand to see if it really is near perfect as he claims. Last but not least, we also have some information about the display panels on the S24 lineup. And the S24 lineup, this time the complete lineup from the regular S24, the S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra are rumored to all have LTPO displays, which means that they'll be going from 0 and up to 120 Hz if it's needed. Now, this is very good for Samsung, but it's also very bad for Apple because it will be putting a lot of pressure on them, and it will kind of now make people expect the standard model of the upcoming iPhone 16 to also come with an LTPO display, or at least a ProMotion display is what Apple calls it. And that's one of the things that I've actually wanted to see this year as well. Now, the iPhone 15, the standard models did have a big upgrade as compared to last year. I mean, the iPhone 15 is, in other words, just an iPhone 14 Pro with the aluminum body and without the 120 Hz ProMotion display. But apart from that, they've made big changes to the cameras. They've introduced the dynamic island. So they did make some significant changes, but the display is still 60 Hz. And that now, especially that we're going into 2024, it kind of seems outdated. And I wish that Apple would at least give us 90, if not 120, because we've seen 120 on phones that cost less than the standard iPhone 15. So I think it's time that Apple also starts to introduce this, and especially considering that sales for the iPhone 15 are not really that good. I think that they should start considering this if they want to make a good phone with the iPhone 16. But anyways, guys, that's it for the Samsung S24 lineup. Just wanted to do a quick video updating you guys. It's been a while since I talked about it, so just wanted to go ahead and make a video and let you guys know what we know so far. Let me know your thoughts about this down in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.